Hi, my name is Marijeta and I'm a business communication specialist in Croatia. I teach public speaking and business communication. I work with adults, mostly business people who want to develop more communication skills, and I use storytelling in my teaching all the time. I find it very useful and effective because people will remember certain information more easily through a story. So when you give them an example, especially the one they can identify with, it's more likely they will remember the fact communicated through a story. There are numerous ways to use storytelling, and some that I use are to break the ice, to reduce audience tension, to create a relaxed atmosphere, to describe an example, to make digression before moving to a new topic or task, to attract attention or to clarify, and so on. So I use it to describe an example and to bring closer some facts that without a story would be difficult to remember. When you use storytelling, you need to know how to tell a story. The same way you need to know how to tell a joke and provoke laughter or any similar reaction. There are numerous methods you can use, but you need to practice telling the story right, because people who are listening your story are developing images and sensations in themselves, and if you tell the story in a wrong way, the effect won't be as you planned it to be. So the audience won't remember the story and what you meant to say, but will remember the feeling of being confused or something similar. I find TED Talk to be such an amazing source of inspiration and know-how in telling a story in an effective way. Also, listening some great storytellers and interpreters are a good way to improve your storytelling skills. There is no question that pandemic caused shifts in our perception and creativity work. We will reflect on this stay-at-home period for some time, and we most surely will be telling stories about how we felt during this period, what we've learned, what new skills we've developed, and how it reflected on us personally and on our businesses. It was and still is a period when lots of stories were created because we people have the need to share our stories with the world. So I believe that pandemic started a whole new digital and storytelling era that we need to cherish and develop in the days and years in front of us.